she
What
doesn't have
you do,
shoes on.
puppies?
Yeah, she doesn't have her shoes
What you
on.
doing, little man? Liam.
What a baby.
Hi.
Hi. Those two babies.
What you do, Liam?
Ah, be nice.
Be nice.
Say hello.
What you do, baby? Oh, hello.
Toby.
That's a sweet boy. And that's a sweet girl. Tell him. Tell him. You tell him.
Hello.
We think.
I think
Should I
it
go
needs
poofed up look?
Really, when you came out, I was like, gosh, it's been that long because it looks kind of like.
Just went in the
long.
shower, brush it
Oh,
up.
what?
Whoa,
You see her
dude,
pulling
she-
herself up?
Oh my gosh. She just totally lifted herself
I
off the
think
ground.
Devin does pull-ups that well.
You're so strong.
That's a strong girl.
She is a strong girl.
What's she doing, Liam?
She needs some kind of a stopper because she's got no shoes on and she's pushing it like
What's my baby?
she doesn't realize how fast.